Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to be showing how to do a silhouette of an Easter bunny. I've got the dark chocolate bunny and the milk chocolate bunny. So I'm going to be showing you on these fingers how to do it. You'll need a lid of some sort. This is just a cap off of something to dab some polish on to do this. I have got on my base coat and one coat of Candy Hearts by Sinful Collections Candy Johnson. I'm going to be using Black Cream by Wet n Wild. Also, what is this called? Desert Dune by LA Colors. These are for my bunnies. Make sure you shake them up and let them rest for a while. And you're going to be needing some white for the bunny's tail. To be doing the bunny's tail, I'm using the end of my fan brush. You can use any dotting tool or even a bobby pin. Take your brush, wipe one side of it off really well. I'm going to be trying to do this so I can see too. Take and make the base of your bunny's body, the bottom portion. Then make his head. Try to make circle images. Now, to do the ears, I want you to wipe off both sides of the nail polish brush. The front and the back, so to speak, but not the edges, because you need the edge to draw the bunny's ears. Oops. I think I wiped off too much polish. We will make this work. There. There you have a silhouette of a dark chocolate bunny. Next I'm going to be doing the brown one. Milk chocolate is my favorite. Make the bottom of his body. Make it sort of round if you can, like that. Then for the head, here we go. Now once again, wipe off the front and back of your body so you can make the bunny's ears. And there you go. Now, give him a quick little blow to dry off the polish so you can put on the bunny's tail. Or if you want, if you have some fast drying top coat, you can put that over it. I'm not going to. I'm just going to get my cap and tap me out some white polish so we can move on to the bunny's tail. See, there you go. I'm going to remove that out of your sight now. You take it and tap you a bunny's tail. Let's get me some more polish here. And there you go. There you have a silhouette of an Easter bunny. I hope you enjoyed this short little video. Please leave me a comment down below. Give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell so you are notified of all future videos. Have a blessed day. Thank you.